Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even. Ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close.
You don't know Instagram Malika Skylife in the building. Yo! I wanted them. Guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're on here for the first time, stop. Click that subscription button, that little red button there down below. Click the subscription button. Turn on your notification bell so you can get the updates each time I upload. Now, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'll be doing a try-on haul. I always get questions about my dresses and where I get them from. Most of my dresses, I get them from Amazon, and they are less than $50, $50 and less. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my dresses, some of the dresses that I have, and I'm going to be listing them below. So if you want one, you can check it out on Amazon and get it for yourself. Also, comment below the one that you like the most. Check out the video.
Okay guys, the first one we're looking at, it is a sunflower dress. The color is so popping. It fits my melanin skin tone very well. I think it goes well with a darker skin tone. I was scared that the color was too bright, but when it got here and I started wearing it, I had no choice but to love it. I really like it. It curves, it shows my silhouette very well. It shows my curves and everything. The other dress is a blue dress. The reason why I like this dress is a dramatic top. This top you cannot wear a bra. It will take away from the dress. But the top is so dramatic, you know, very fashionable and stuff, and you know the bottom is very fitted. I like showing off my curves because yeah, my work hard feet and so I really like showing off my curves, and these dresses really show me hourglass shape. Even surprise me. Some of these dresses surprise me at times when I pick them out. So yeah, I really like this one as well. Remember to tell me which one you guys like. Now this one is a black dress. I remember I wore this dress to a birthday dinner. I really love this dress, and out of all of the dresses, I believe that this one fits me the best. I really like the top, and you have to wear your hair up with this dress because it will take away from the top. And the midsection area, it has some little ruffles, so if you have a little tummy issue, it's not really gonna show, and it shows off your curves very well. As I said, it fits you, it makes you look really sexy. The material thick, you don't feel cheap, and that's what I like about this dress. I like the pencil shape at the bottom, you know, with heels. It just looks very sexy, very sexy. I really like this one, I tell you. Remember to tell me which one you guys like now. Remember. Dang, girl. So the other dress is a wine red dress. This is the last dress that we're going to be looking on. It's wine red. It fits a dark skin tone very well again. And this dress, I really like the cut of the top area. It's really nice, and it hugs your body. The dress hugs your body very well. The zip at the back is just lovely. It just brings everything together. I'm not telling a lie. I wish you guys could have seen this dress in person when I wore it. I got so many compliments. And this one is very elegant. You can wear it to a dinner. I wore mine to a wedding. Everything is just nice. Tell me which song may I sing if I guess that I'm pure in the cash. I really like this dress, and my shape good. I look sexy, and I just love it, you know. This is the end of this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat, and see you on the next video.